If you are wondering for how long Motorola Moto G87 is going to be supported, then the answer seems to be 4 years in total, until the June 2030. Now, this is of course according to the British Motorola support website. Over there we can read that for security updates it's going to be 4 years. Now, if you are wondering what it means for Android updates, then my guess is that it's going to be 3 major Android updates. There is no official confirmation, or at least I couldn't find any official confirmation how many Android updates, those major updates, are we going to actually receive on the Motorola Moto G87. However, my speculation is exactly 3 updates. We are starting with Android 16 on this phone, so it means that we are going to probably get Android 17, 18, and 19. Maybe, but just maybe, we can also get Android 20, however, I would not really expect it. So this is how it looks like for Motorola Moto G87. Leave a like and subscribe.